Sweet Burst Bottlebrush flowers in early spring before other callistemons, but what makes it really shine is its sheer volume of gorgeous flowers. You know, it literally bursts with sweet pink flowers. Sweet Burst Callistemon is a semi-compact fine-leaf callistemon that is great as a feature plant or for mass planting and hedging. Its pretty baby pink flowers add a soft burst of colour in spring and contrast beautifully with its dark green foliage. It has good frost and drought tolerance once established and will tolerate full sun to partly shaded positions and is great for attracting bees and native birds. Water as required until established. This plant prefers a well-mulched garden and chunky mulch is what we recommend. Prune every 3 to 4 years for a natural shape or every 2 years for a tidy hedge. Just a little rain or wind or a little time and these flowers clean themselves. How good is that? I wish the dishes self-cleaned. Sweet Burst Callistemon handled drought, frost and this horrible soil in testing. Another Ozbreed shrub stress test at our facilities, so you know it's tough. At Ozbreed, we don't guess, we test.